Welcome to Alamash. This is Alan. We are actually in the 2016 Tesla Model X 75D with Autopilot version 2. This car does have full FSD. How do you know if your Tesla has a FSD activated? So, click on Autopilot. Autopilot features. Yeah, I know this is the camera that's making the screen flickering. Otherwise, the screen is fine. So it's got the traffic aware cruise control, all-steer beta, full self driving. Actually, we're gonna go assertive here. Lane change, chime, minimal lane change for current drive, expand, full self driving visualization. Everything good, okay. Let's do this. Now we're on the move. To activate full self-driving in the legacy Tesla, double click on the cruise control stalk towards you. Full self-driving activated. Let's see, can it make this left turn on its own? Okay, no car coming this way, but okay. See, I think this car wants to avoid those two yellow lines, just go all the way to the left lane. The problem is, there's cars coming in both directions. Yeah, I might have to take over. Because if I let FSD do this thing, I'm gonna be here for a long time. I see nobody's. Oh, there's a car coming. Okay. Oh. But it doesn't want to go because this car is coming from that side, even though there's no car coming on this side. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's doing it. Wow. See what I told you. The car rather be in this lane. Okay, it's telling us to make a left on Santa Ana Boulevard. It's doing that. There's a red light. The car's stopping on its own. Okay, light turned green. Car reacted, very good. It went to the farthest left lane. Now it's trying to go to the right lane. I'm not doing it, the car's doing it. Very good. About to enter the freeway. Now I'm going to increase the speed. Cruise control. 66, which is 65 GPS. It's trying to change lane. It says upcoming lane change. Now it's changing lane to follow route. I'm gonna set the cruise control to 70 GPS, which is 71 indicated. Let's see what happens. Although exit is 2 miles away, so I'm wondering, will it change lanes or is it going to keep us in this lane? Because we're doing about 47, 48 indicated and we're stuck behind this truck. Yeah, it's keeping us in this lane because the car knows we're going to exit soon. As a matter of fact, it's going to change lane to the right. Just looking around the traffic, it's showing that there's a car to the right. All right, now it's about to initiate the lane change. Oh, it changed its mind. Now, time to time again, the vehicle will tell you to put your hand on the steering wheel so it knows that you're paying attention. Okay, change your lanes to follow route. Change your lane to the right. Okay. Now, the original owner of this vehicle paid for full self-driving. So this vehicle has full self-driving for life. But for new Tesla buyer, there's two options. Pay $15,000 up front, you have full self-driving, which is part of the vehicle forever, for the lifetime of the vehicle, or pay $199.99 per month. Or in the case of the brand new Tesla, if you don't pay for full self-driving, you just get basic autopilot. All it does is hold the lane. It will not, what the basic autopilot does is lane centering, but it does not do lane change. I'll demonstrate it in my Model 3 on the different video. I mean, so far, this FSD is doing the trick. So if I get this right, this FSD wants to stay in this lane. See that those dead leaves on the floor? We had the tropical storm Hillary around 2 days ago as of this filming. That's what you see on the streets. Oh, it's changing the lane to the faster lane because the car realized this vehicle right here is being slow. And then that guy sped up, so this car is going back to his lane. It's kind of like ping-ponging. Okay, slammed the brake for no reason. That is not all, it's doing it for no reason. It is FSD beta. What do you expect? Okay, it's acting like crazy at the moment. Okay, I got to take over. I'm taking over. This is Alan for Almosh. Thank you for watching.